What is going on, guys? Today is a special one because I'm going to be making my creamy, dreamy almond milk. You want to slap your mama, it's so good. Not you, Mom. Shit. Who's ready? So let me show you how it's done. So to start, a few things you guys are going to need. Filtered water. I would use some good quality water. It's going to be 8 cups. You're gonna also need 2 cups of almonds soaked. So I soak these overnight and then drain them. And then I use a Himalayan pink sea salt. Sound fancy, dog? But no, it's good stuff. Then I use some vanilla extract, dates, and then you're gonna want like a milk container. So this is one's glass. Keeps the milk fresh and good. So I have my almonds that I've been soaking all night. So first thing you want to do, drain them, rinse them off too, and then we're gonna plop those into the blender. Step 1 is you're gonna want to add in your 2 cups of almonds. So again, make sure that you drain them, rinse them, and I'll just add those in. I'm adding these almonds into a Vitamix, and this Vitamix has a 8-cup limit. So now that we have our 2 cups of almonds, I'm gonna add in 3 dates that I chopped up. Now you wanna add in half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it. So I'm gonna blend this. You wanna blend until smooth, and then we will drain it in an almond milk bag. And basically you'll hear when we're blending it, you'll kind of hear like when the sound stops like crackling somewhat. So that's a sign like the almonds are fully broken down, and then we could kind of stop it and strain it. So now I have a big bowl and an almond milk bag. You can find these on Amazon. They're reusable, super helpful. And with the bowl, you want to make sure there's a spout, because this way when you're pouring the almond milk into the container, it all goes in. You know, you don't want a disaster on your hands. So now let's just pour the almond milk into the bag. Now that it's in the bowl, I like to kind of wrap, use this as like an anchor. I don't know if you ever teated a cow before, me neither, but you kind of want to just like squeeze back and forth. And you could see all the milk coming out. And obviously make sure your hands are clean, because you're touching the milk and all of that. So as it goes down, I like to twist and then just keep kind of squeezing. Then what's nice when you make your own almond milk is that you're left with the almond meal. And this, you could do a bunch of like protein bars and like fat balls and a lot of different stuff with that almond meal. Eventually I'll have some recipes that show you guys how to create some of that stuff. So again, keep shaking down. You could see the almond meal, and just keep twisting. Twist and squeeze is what I like to call it. Twist and squeeze. Let's get that tattooed on us, huh? Twist and squeeze. Oh, you could grunt a little too. Oh. Yeah, it just makes it more fun. I don't know. Call me old-fashioned. Oh, yeah, you've been naughty. Yep, it's like a stress ball too, you know? When you get to the very bottom, not much more is coming out. That's kind of the sign that you're done. Like I said, you could save this almond meal in the bag. And a lot of people bake it off to dry it out a little bit. And then throw it in like some granola bars or whatever. Man, look at that creamy, dreamy almond milk. Whoo! My precious. So now we're gonna pour it in the almond milk container. So now we'll do a little taste test. I'm gonna drink it right out of the container. This is my almond milk, baby. So you can see how creamy it is. Oh, it's so good. It's literally like a milkshake. You get a little hint of that sea salt. You get some of the vanilla. Dates do a nice job to kind of like sweeten out, but it's not too sweet. Oh, yes. It's like dripping down my beard, dude. You can see how good this shit is. Come on. So yeah, make this. And then I'll show you some recipes while you have the almond milk. First one being my matcha latte. Ooh, world famous, depending on who you ask. But stay tuned for that video. Ciao. Grab your container. And again, this is why I said you want that spout. So now we're just gonna pour in the almond milk. Whoa. I gotta work on my gang signs.